What's up, guys? It's gonna be a short day. We're going back to work today. It is Friday. It is 30 degrees. We only got one quick job to do and then start the weekend.
Alright guys, so here's the situation we got today. This sucks. I don't know if you can see my footprints already. It is a muddy mess under here. But we're installing a hose spigot. So we've got our water right there. And I'm gonna run PEX all the way out to this corner somewhere. I'm just down here kind of getting a look at what I can do or need to do. See, I'm glad I looked because there's a beam right there. I was gonna put it right there, but I'm thinking maybe somewhere over here now. Let me get situated and we'll talk about it. I'm thinking it's gonna go right up there where that copper line is coming out of the wall right there, or coming out of the floor. I'm thinking that's the best place for it. Yeah, I'm gonna poke around a little bit, make double sure, but I'm thinking that's where it's gonna go. All right, so they want it back here, so I'm gonna have to cut that copper line. There's nowhere good to put my light where you guys are gonna be able to see and me see at the same time. And it's so muddy, I'm so worried about slipping. Can I put my light right there? Will that do? Can you guys see that okay? I don't know, I'm just gonna have to go for it. It's gonna be such a pain. I'm gonna cut the 3/4 inch pipe that's already there. It's been terminated already, so there's no concern about it. I don't know why they left it, but they did. But it's neither here nor there. Now it's got to come out. Right there, I think. This is going to be kind of a pain in the booty. Oh, come on. There's so many cobwebs. Where did my tool go? I got a cobweb tool here. It's a little piece of a zip tie that was hanging down. Try to keep some of this stuff out of my hair, literally. Good Lord. What I should probably do is just grab the Sawzall, because I don't need this pipe doesn't have to be saved for anything. A piece just fell off my pipe cutter. Thanks, Cobalt. It was just like the decorative cap over the knob, but Jesus, come on. You shouldn't have pieces falling off of your tools. You gotta switch to the other hand. God, there's nothing. It's so slippery and, like I said, muddy. And there's just nowhere to... This is on a hill. I'm so worried about sliding backwards. Sorry if I'm in the way, guys. Just gonna have to deal with it for right now, I guess. There we go. I think we just broke. Yep, there we go. Okay. So now hopefully you can see the plan. Plan is going to be to pull this 3/4 inch pipe right out because it's not connected to anything. Can you see that hole? Can you guys see that hole? Let me turn my light off. Yeah, I think you can see that hole. Anyway, that's where the new pipe is going to be inserted. So, time to head on out of here and start working on that. I've got to, I'll bring you over here if I don't fall on my butt. Oh, look at this. I gotta turn the screen on, come on. Come on, GoPro. There we go. Just look at how muddy he's walking through here. My feet weigh 10 pounds more than they should. Thankfully, we have a nice pallet sitting here. So that one there is what I'm going to cut that cap off of, and I'm going to attach the new line to that. Then we're going to run it out that wall over there, put the new hose bib on it, and be done. Eventually, we're going to put a T on that down here, and I'm going to run it underground to a different hose bucket over by the chicken coop. All right, we're back in here. Got all the tools I need to do the job, so I'm going to get it run over this way, and then I'm going to get it ready to hook up. But before I cut that line, I got to shut the water off. So here's our new line. I got the hose spigot on the back side of it, so all we have to do really is just pull it till it stops. I'm gonna run it up above all this stuff. That hole is tight. I probably should have cut it bigger, but it'll be fine. Okay, that's where we stop. So we're right there. We need to be right there. I've got the other one. You guys, stupid, I'm sorry. Okay, so we're right there. We need to be right there. I got the other one at the door, so I'm gonna set you guys up so you can see everything, and we'll go from there. I had you guys, I was telling you about it, but I was pointing the flashlight instead of the camera. So where am I gonna set you guys up? All right, go to the door and get this other piece of pipe. And then I'm debating, I'm gonna take a look at it before I make any phone calls, but I might just end up calling the water agency. Because a little tip, I don't know how it is everywhere, but if you shut your main off, and most of them are old decrepit lines, if you shut it off and you break it in doing so, it's on you. You call the water agency and they break it, it's on them. So let's make things on them, not on us. Get deeper in the end of that. We're going to mark it with our PEX depth gauge, so we know right where we need to be. I brought a coupler down here with me. So now we can put the coupler on, couple that other pipe to it, get a measurement, and off to the races. Here's our 3/4 inch coupler. We put it down to the mark we made. Perfect. Now let's deburr and mark this other pipe. I don't know if deburring is the right terminology. It shaves a little piece off the end of it. Okay, the pipe is marked. And we'll take this one and attach it. Oh, we gotta go up and over. Up spin over. There we go. Attach it right here to this guy. In. Sweet. Now we're working over here. I'm just gonna cut off. I got a ton of excess. I'm just gonna cut it real quick so I'm not dealing with that stuff hanging down everywhere. I'll cut it. Very proud. Like way down here, see? If I can give some advice, buy these PEX tools. Absolutely buy the PEX tools. Yeah, trust me, just buy them. They're so much easier to work with than trying to finagle something. So now I gotta see if I'm gonna go out and try to find a water main. If it's reasonable to shut off, I'll shut it off. If it looks all old and corroded, I'll call the water agency, give them the address, and we'll wait for them. But till then, we'll see you soon. All right. So far I've done this whole job without falling. My little lady brought me some coffee. Awesome. So all I gotta do is put the hangers up and we're done. I'm certain you guys aren't gonna be able to see very little to none of this, but that's okay. I'm just hammering hangers. There's really nothing to see. I'll put one right here. Old wood is hard. I'm going to put one right here. And that's it. I'm just going to take a really quick double check for leaks on all of these joints. Got nothing leaking. Nothing leaking. All right. Let's get out of here, clean our boots off, caked with mud, and we're done for the week. We gotta go back to the shop now. Sweet. All right. Job well done. It only took 2 hours. By the time I'm done, it'll be 2 hours. Shoot, half of that was waiting on the water guy. All right, take one last quick peek. That's what I like to see. Now back to clean up the truck and back to the shop.
Hey guys, so we're headed back. Oh, let me put that in. Hey guys, so we're headed back to the shop now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. There's some fog out there that I just went through a little bit. Eh? Oh, that's not fog, that's smoke. Somebody must be burning something big. So we're headed back to the shop. I don't know what I'm doing the rest of the day. It is Friday. I'm done for the day. I gotta look at the leaf shredder that I just bought because it caught on fire. Yeah, it was pretty irritating. I gotta take a look at it though and make sure that it's good to go. I think it might have just got a leaf caught by the exhaust or something. I mean, there weren't like flames or anything, but there was definitely a lot of popping, crackling, and smoke. So I gotta take a look at that. But it's the weekend now, so pretty much get after whatever we want now. We gotta do the Christmas lights this weekend. We gotta go get a Christmas tree. I might film some of that. Definitely need to go do the Christmas tree this weekend because Christmas is in like 16 days, 50, something like, I don't even know what day it is today. It's in 2 weeks. So, all right. I didn't film much of the, you know, when the water agency guy was there, I didn't think it was appropriate to film him. So I didn't film much while he was there. It just got the job done. He waited till I got done and turned the water back on. So yeah, we'll see you back at the shop.